Welcome back, man. Mr. 300 here, man. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for watching. We about to get right into the video, man. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Please like this video, share, and all that. But we about to show you, man, right where the battery is on the Chrysler 300. It don't matter which model, man. I'm about to show you guys both generations. So we just gonna go to the front. If you guys just need to do just like a quick jump, this is the hood or whatever. You already know that. But on the passenger side, there's a little red area, man. That's basically your positive terminal. And then you can ground wherever, man. Anywhere where you see an opening. I know it's a little, you can't really see it, but anywhere where there's, you know, a metal, something, you know, you can pretty much just use the negative to connect to that, and you can give yourself a quick jump. But let's say your car is backed in, or it's not in a good situation where you can get to this area of the car and it's, you know, you only have access to the trunk. No problem, no problem, no problem whatsoever. This is actually where the big body, the big battery is at. So if you got to replace the battery or whatever, don't worry about all this trash. But this is the battery right here. So it's actually in the trunk. And then this is just your standard, you know, your positive and your negative or whatever. So you can definitely do a jump here. Also, if you need to replace your battery, you can't do it obviously from the front because your battery is in the back. So your battery is in your trunk. So this is where you just lift the battery up, take it out, and do your thing or whatever. This is a 2009 Chrysler 300. I think I'm gonna show you on the other car too. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys on the 2018 Chrysler 300S, second generation. Hold up, real quick, man. I'm gonna give you guys a little extra credit, man, a little extra bonus, man. If you ever got to take your battery out and you're working on your car and you got to get back in your trunk or whatever, the trunk is not gonna be able to open without the battery, without something being connected. The only problem is, if it is, like say your battery goes out or whatever, you got to use that latch that's way in the back of the trunk, man. That's the only way to unlock the trunk if your battery is not connected. So if you're working on your car, man, and just recently I was working on my gas pump and I had to disconnect my battery and blah, blah, blah. And I needed to connect everything back, you know, because I disconnected the battery from the back. I had to climb my big ass in the back seat or whatever, back seat of the car, and grab that thing. That thing is not arm's length reach. So it's like half my body was inside of this little area. And if you're a big guy, you know, going into those little areas, man, you get a little claustrophobic. Not saying that I was. I'm not saying that I wasn't either, but anyway, man, that's just a little trick. So anytime you got to work on your car and you got to do something with your trunk or your hood or whatever like that, what you do is you open the hood or whatever, you close it, but you don't close it all the way. You keep it cracked. So then when the battery goes out, you can just lift it right up. Because on this car, in the 2009 Chrysler 300, I'm sure all the first generations or whatever, there is no way to actually open the hood. You know, there's no key. You know, if the battery's not connected, your key fob isn't gonna work for automatic trunk release. So you gotta climb your big ass back there and pull it if you accidentally let this thing close all the way. So that's just one thing, man. We're gonna get to the other car, man. I'm gonna show you exactly where the battery is on that one too. Honestly, I'm doing this because I looked up online, and man, that was a big question with Chrysler 300s, man. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly where the trunk is. Not the trunk, the battery, man. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where that at. I also got something else to show you, man. So I'm gonna show you guys at the end of that, man. But anyway, we're gonna get right back. You guys like Porsches? Sound crazy. 900 Turbo S, man. We all know that S means something major with Porsches, man. That S not just a regular S, man. That makes it to a whole nother fucking Richter scale, man. That boy is nice. I like it, man. I usually don't really care for Porsches, man, but I like that one. Whatever that is, whatever mods they did to the top, sunroof, the wheels and all that, man, that boy is nasty. I like it, man. I like it. I'm not even gonna hold you guys, man, but I haven't even really looked at the battery on this car. But anyway, man, it's 2018 Chrysler 300S. The hood, same thing, man. Same situation, actually. If you need a jump, little negative terminal or positive terminal is right here. I just broke it, actually. Just broke this piece off, so hopefully Chrysler not watching it. My bad. If anybody triggered, man, my bad. I'll get that fixed, man. I'm taking this car in for service in the next couple of days, so I'll have them fix that. But then here goes the little negative or whatever. So for your ground or whatever, that's conveniently located right there. I probably didn't say that word correctly, but whatever, man. You guys feel it. This is the little baby 3.6, man. The other one was a 2.7, man. So this is like a Lambo to me, honestly, man. Driving this with everything on and all that type of stuff, man, this is a Lambo to me. This is, I can't even see myself, but this is like super fast, man. So anyway, man, this is where the battery is on the second generation. And I think, I mean, obviously the trunk has the battery, but I just want to make sure it's the same side. It might be on the same exact side. Yeah, it is. There go the battery, man. You got both situations. They're in the same exact location, man. First gen and second gen, man. Don't worry about all the other stuff, man. But that's just a little quick video, man, in case you guys wanted to know exactly where the battery was on a Chrysler 300, any Chrysler 300. You got two options. You got the front and the back. You probably got that on a lot of other cars too. I'm gonna tell you guys the reason, man. Actually, the reason why I actually started looking into all this stuff, man, because I gotta take my other car in. Hold on, let me turn this down, man. We don't want no copyright, even though we ain't getting no mods and nothing. We ain't getting paid for it. Still, this boy might go viral. It might go viral, man. So anyway, man, be sure to like this video, man. Like, subscribe, all that type of stuff, man. If you into 300s, you into MOPAR, anything like that, man, I'm giving you everything, anything, whatever you want, man. Comment down below and subscribe and all that stuff, man. We'll make it happen. But anyway, man, I'm driving right now, but let me roll the window up. But the reason why I started looking into the battery and everything, man, is because I got a recall. I got a recall on the old car that I got to go take in to Chrysler today or tomorrow for the airbags and shit, man. So I was just thinking, like, man, if they do all the airbag stuff, are they gonna reset the battery and all that other type of stuff, man? Because I'm trying to do a few things with it, man. And so I pretty much just figure out where everything was or whatever. But that led me to believe and created some type of curiosity, man, to pretty much see if both cars had the same location for the battery, and they did, man. So that's pretty much it, man. Quick video, man. Hope you guys having a great day, man. Hope you guys doing everything you're supposed to do in life, man. I got so many things I got to do with the other car, man, but the hustle, the grind, the fucking perseverance, the tenacity, all that stuff never stop, man. You got to keep going consistently. You got to keep going, man. Don't ever stop, man. Even if you get to the top, man, you got to stay at the top. So, you know, that's just the way I feel right now, man. I used to get sad and worried and, man, oh, I wish my life was easier, man. Oh, I wish this was easier. I wish I had this. I wish I had that. But I started to think about it, man. It's like, if you got all that stuff and you lose it, man, that feel worse than if you never even had it, man. I used to think, like, man, just give me the opportunity to have something, man, just for a little bit, and I'll give it up, you know, whenever. But nah, man, if you got something and you lose it, and you got something that you love and you lose it, it's worse, man. I'd rather not even have it, man. But anyway, man, Mr. 300, man, subscribe down below, man. We got plenty of content. I'm showing you guys the real stuff about the cars and everything that I do. Hope you guys having a great day. Like I said earlier, man, subscribe down below, man. If I go to the dealership today, I'm gonna definitely like video that, man. I ain't been, you know, posting a lot of stuff, man, because I've had some computer issues. So this video that you guys watching right now, I'm actually gonna edit it and post it on my phone and work with that on my iPad, man. So the grind don't stop, man. The grind, the hustle, everything don't stop, man. You always gotta get to the top of the hill, and when you get there, you gotta stay there, man. You don't wanna fall that back down, man. So anyway, man, subscribe down below, man. Love you guys. Have a great day. Peace out.